Hello, beginning trombone players. This is your video lesson number 2. Make sure that you have your trombone. If you need to oil the slide, check it right now. If it's not moving freely, go pause the video and go oil it, and then come back and join us. If it's in good shape, let's continue. You should have your red Standard of Excellence book with you. And today, let's just start out like we always do with some long tones, trying to get the best sound that we can. We're going to start with a low B flat. It should sound like this. Listen. Down there. Okay, try it with me. Here we go. Try a low B flat. Ready, play. Did it come out okay for you? Is it a little too high or a little quivery? Get your lips set. Down low. Let's try the B flat again. And let's go to the C. Arm out in 6th position. Whole note. Pull the slide into 4th position. Let's play the D a little higher. And then pull it into 3rd position, E flat, ready? Pull it all the way in for an F, 1st position up high, and then let's go to the G, up high, in 4th position, it's up here, la, ready, and I don't know about you, mine didn't come out as good as I think it should have. Let's try that, a G again. Da, ready, and then let's put it in 2nd position. That's halfway between 1 and 3. And play a low A. Down low, loosen your lips, ready, and then all the way in, we're going to play another B flat. Ready, and there you go. How'd it go for you? If you were having a hard time getting to match the pitch, if it didn't come out quite right, rewind the video, try it again. If you're ready to move on, let's do it. I'd like for you today to turn your book back to the very back of the book, page 39. At the top it says accelerators. It's all green shaded. This is page 39. And I know we haven't done this before in your lessons. However, there's a lot of good material here that we could use. Let's try it, okay? What I'd like for you to do in number 4A, you see you have a D whole note tied to a D whole note. That means add 4 plus 4, that's 8 beats. What I want you to practice doing is taking a big breath and keeping it going for 8 counts. And then you have a quarter rest. Then 2 C's with the slide out in 6th position, 8 counts total. Big breath. Then a whole rest, then B flat, 8 counts total with 2 whole notes tied together. Let's try this. This is more a breathing exercise as anything else. Holding out long tones, getting the best sound we can. Your first pitch should be like this. Ready? We're going to hold it big, 8 counts. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, play. And rest now 2 C's. Ready? And now 2 whole note B flats tied together. And there you go. Our goal with that is just to try to get you to have good breath control and keep that air going to get a good sound on the trombone. Let's look at 4B. Now here the notes change. Look at them with me. You have a B flat in the first measure, then a C, rest, C, then a D, rest, C, then a B flat. Only the first 3 notes, B flat, C, and D. This shouldn't be too much trouble. Let's try this together. Starts down low on B flat, and then move your arm quickly to go to C. Here we go. 4B. Ready, play. you're going to go C to D flat. Rest. Now C to B flat play. There you go. How did you do? If you got all the notes and came out with a good sound, great. If you didn't and you'd like to try it again, pause the video and do it again on your own. Okay, let's continue. Let's look at number 54A. It's down about 2/3 of the way down the page. Check this one out. You have everything in first position. You have F and then B flat. The first two measures, it does it as half notes, 2 counts each. F, B flat, then again, okay? Then where it says B in the dark colored box, it goes by quarter notes. Do, 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 do. This is an excellent exercise for trombone. Put your slide in first position, leave it there. You don't have to change anything. Just make sure you follow along, whether it gets 2 beats or 1 beat. You will see that there are repeat signs in this. We're just going to play straight through the line. Don't worry about the repeat signs for today. This is just such a good exercise, just once through though. Here we go, starting on the F, it should sound like this. Listen. Might want to try that. Make sure you've got it. Let's go ahead and do number 54A. Totally in first position. Half notes and quarter notes. Ready? Here we go. F to B flat. 1, 2, ready, and... How did you do? Were you able to do it? If not, you got it. The notes were not quite what you wanted. Just try it again on your own. Okay. And then after that, let's go back to page 8. I know this is early in the book, and you're going to say, "Oh, we can do this." It's just a good review. Let's do page 8. Hot cross buns. This should sound good because we know this one very well. Here we go. D to C to B flat. Make sure you give half notes 2 beats, whole notes 4, quarter notes just 1. Here we go. Hot cross buns starting on a D. Right there. Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, good. Rest. Now 4 quarters. Turn to page 13. Okay? On page 13, what we have here is quarter note. Oh, excuse me. We have eighth notes. We're going to start with eighth notes here. Eighth notes are the ones, they look like this. Okay? They're connected with a beam. They go twice as fast as quarter notes. So, when you have eighth notes, what they do when they count the beats of the measure, they put 1 on the number and 1 on the and. For instance, look at number 45. You have all D's. Quarter note on beat 1, quarter note on beat 2, a pair of eighth notes on beat 3, and a quarter note on beat 4. So your rhythm will go like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 And it's all on a D, so that shouldn't be too hard. We're going to put our slide in 4th position, and we're going to go like this. Try it with me, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. pitch nice and steady. It is a little tricky on trombone. You really got to, get this set and listen to the pitch. If you did fine on it, let's continue. There is a repeat sign. You can do it again on your own if you would like. Or we'll go ahead to number 47. In number 47, it's called Eighth Note Explorer. Notice in this one you have a quarter note on beat 1, a quarter note on beat 2, a quarter note on beat 3, and a pair of eighth notes on beat 4. So it's 3 slower ones and then the faster eighth notes on beat 4. Your counting would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So what you want to keep in mind when you play this one: 3 slows and then the eighth notes. It's all on E flat, which is in 3rd position. Should sound like this. Let's try it, okay? 3 slows and then the 2 faster eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. Number 47. Let's turn the page, please, to page 14. Look at page 14, number 50. The first one on this page, number 50. Notice you have all Fs. You have a quarter note on beat 1, a pair of eighth notes on beat 2, quarter note on beat 3, quarter note on beat 4, then quarter note, a pair of eighth notes, and a half note. Your rhythm goes like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Hold 4. Okay, let's try that. Ready? All on the F. Listen. How'd you do on it? There is a repeat sign. If you think you could do it a little bit better, be worth it to pause the video and try it again. Let's look at number 52. Number 52 is called Eighth Note Expert. It is all on E flats. You have a pair of eighth notes right at the very beginning. It goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, and rest on 4. Clap and count that with me. If you could lay your trombone down someplace secure. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest 4. Let's try it. Here we go. Ready? All on an E flat. This is your pitch. Want to try that? Here we go. Fast ones right at the very beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest. Rest. Very good. Okay, so trombone players, this is the end of video lesson number 2. Please make sure you get your trombones out. Practice this. You can practice the first lesson. You can practice this one. And I will be back in touch with you soon, hoping that all of you are healthy and your families are doing well. Thank you. See you later. Bye.